We're up to installing the floor, which will then allow us to put the seats in permanently and finish off with the cabinets and of course the bed at the back. It's been a long time coming. I have to admit I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like. Originally we looked at vinyl tiles and so on, but we like the feel and look of the prefab flooring, so we're going to put that in. Hopefully it will be durable enough in those high traffic areas. We've only got one narrow area really where you walk in, so we'll just have to see how that goes. We're using the composite prefab flooring to go over the top of this. Before I lay it down, I'm going to continue this isolation along the floor, and then over that put the insulated layer between. It helps with soundproofing, it helps with insulation, and then the timber will go over the top. All of these joins along here I'm going to seal with a bit of tape first, and then the isolation will go over the top and then another layer. So the idea is, one, to restrict the air movement coming up from underneath, restrict the heat radiation, and of course the moisture as well. Okay, I'm on to the second day of laying the floor. I've got this isolation down as a moisture barrier and also a heat barrier, an air barrier, and now I'm going to put this underlay that goes under the board. It's also got a reflective back on it, just to get some extra thermal qualities, because I haven't put any insulation on the floor, so this will act as another thermal barrier. And we'll roll it out. It's got a sticky tape, so you can join it quite easily. You don't have to tape the joints like I did with this isolation. I'm hoping today goes smoothly. We'll see what happens. So this is the flooring that we're using. It's called Darjeeling. $240 worth of laminated flooring. We're starting with a straight edge down this raised section of the floor, which should be pretty straight given that it's manufactured with the bus. So that's my straight edge. That'll be the long edge. And then I'll work, and then from there I will work across the bus. So working that way from the long edge, and then cutting in around these sides to fit it into the boxes and against the wall, around the seats, and of course around the heater.
3.
I've just finished laying the floor in the bus. It's taken me 3 full days. I don't know what it is about this bus, but it seems to resist every step forward. It takes 3 times as long. So now that the floor's in, I've got to build the bed, build the dinette and refit the chairs, finish off the bathroom with the door and tidy up the cabin, and I'll be ready to get it registered. Woohoo! Thank you. That's it.